First, the top news headlines. Minister Jayanti Kumar clarifies coronavirus not detected in Ukhrul. Social Welfare Department celebrates National Girl Child Day. And consultative meeting on food processing cum techno exhibition held. Good afternoon and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. A one-day orientation workshop on Mission Indradhanush was held today at the auditorium of Regional Outreach Bureau ROB at Wangkhay Yonglan Leirak, Imphal East. It was jointly organized by Regional Outreach Bureau ROB under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, and Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Manipur. Health Minister L. Jayanti Kumar inaugurated the event, which also had a technical and interaction session. During the workshop, Minister Jayanti Kumar underlined on the need to maintain health and wellness from birth till death. The health department under the state government is in process to set up open workplaces in all health and wellness centers in Manipur, he said. The minister said that it is the ultimate aim of the government to put maximum impetus on health sector. Nothing that maintaining good health among children can help make a healthy society, for which he said proper immunization of children right away from birth is necessary. Clarifying the report on spread of coronavirus at Sirui Hills of Ukhrul district, the Health Minister Jayanti Kumar said that the Health Department had already conducted medical tests and health checkups of residents in the area and that people do not need not worry about it since the results found were no coronavirus at all.
China dagi originate tawrokpa makhalgi virus anu makhalama madu sandukpa hore so deadly this virus is yam jatina khoina sigan ba yam jatina mapangkan makil virus hoiba virus to China gi virus to matu Ukhrul gi somewhere siroli ligan ang mabdele virus kat sandukpa hore na haiba yam alarming note ma ngonda lak pai bate hojik for the agent today the information is koi matu alarming hoiba matu dakali ti matu alarming hoibam thokte matu hojik hai akil China gi virus nati an haibate matu mayam da ai the
Department of Social Welfare, Government of Manipur celebrated the National Girl Child Day under Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme at City Convention Center, Imphal today. Governor of Manipur Dr. Nazma Heptullah, Chief Minister N. Biren, Health, Family Welfare and Arts and Culture Minister L. Jayanti Kumar Singh, Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu, officials of Social Welfare Department attended the program. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Nazma Heptullah said that National Girl Child Day is celebrated on 24th of January every year to raise awareness on inequalities, discrimination, exploitation faced by girls in the society. She cited that inequality may be faced in education, nutrition, legal rights, medical care, protection, child marriage, freedom, etc. Nazma also stated that the initiative of the Government of India to celebrate the National Girl Child Day is an enhancement mission for the young girls in the country. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR Notice Institute of Science and Technology, Jorhat and Branch Laboratory Lamphel, Imphal today organized the consultative meeting on food processing cum techno exhibition at Lamphel today. The meeting cum exhibition was held on the theme CSIR Connect Notice. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, MP Dr. R. K. Ranjan, Director General of CSIR Dr. C. Sekhar Mande and Director of CSIR IHBT Palampur, Dr. Sanjay Kumar, attended the meet. Speaking during the meet, Chief Minister Biren said that timely intervention by the authority have stopped general strike and economic blockade from being enforced in the state since the past few years. He urged the farmers to grow more traditional variety of crops. Biren stated that the state government will take up Stand Up Manipur to give main priority to the backward community. Ahead of the Republic Day celebration and a day after RIMS road blast, Manipur police tightened security measures at vulnerable places in Imphal and other districts. Massive combing operations were carried out at crucial locations under the supervision of Bishnupur District Superintendent of Police L. Priyadarshini. Bishnupur Commando, led by Officer in Charge B. Lungthang Waifei, conducted a house-to-house search operation in the surrounding area of Bishnupur All Secretariat Complex early this morning. Around 120 individuals were verified, but no one was picked up or arrested, a police report said. Two children were killed in a major fire which broke out at residence in Beltola area of Guwahati yesterday. The deceased were identified as 8-year-old Ishan and his 3-year-old brother Ivan. Both were students of Srimanta Sankardev Academy, Dispur. A media report said that the cause of the fire is suspected to be a short circuit which further spread and led to a cylinder blast. Fire tenders rushed to the spot and managed to douse the blaze. It is also learned that the parents of the deceased went for shopping for Ivan's upcoming birthday and the children left inside the house with doors locked from outside. In a suspected case of human trafficking, 2 Nepali women were rescued yesterday at Indo-Myanmar Integrated Checkpost by troops of 43 Assam Rifles. The rifles suspected it was a case of human trafficking as they learned it from the immigration counter. A report said later they were handed over to More police station for further investigation. It may be mentioned that in the recent past, a number of Nepali women were rescued from being trafficked at Indo-Myanmar checkpost. Introducing ePOS electronic point of sale, a training cum distribution of ePOS machine to the Fair Price Shop FPS agents was held at DC Office Complex, Chingdong Lekai, Jiribam yesterday. The program was held under the office of the District Supply Officer, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Jiribam District. During the program, 32 ePOS machines were distributed to the Fair Price Shop agents. Dr. V.K. Saraswat, a member of NITI Ayog Government of India, today inaugurated a health and wellness center at Primary Health Center, Lemapokpam, under Nambol constituency. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. V.K. Saraswat said that such center will help people stay fit and healthy. Principal Secretary, Family Welfare Department, V. Wumlun Mang, Chief Medical Officer, Bishnupur T. Manihar, Lemapokpam Jila Parisad Member L. Jiten Meite, Medical Officer in Charge, Primary Health Center, Lemapokpam Dr. C.H. Joy Prakash, and other staff members were also present during the function.
I would like to congratulate the efforts of the government of Manipur and also the support that has been given by central government in upgrading this facility. The services being provided are of international standard, and we find that the passion and dedication of the doctors and nurses here is exemplary. They are in a position to provide end-to-end services, right from OPD to deliveries to providing immunization and even eye testing. I am very, very happy that in a center like this has been created, and it is running for so many years. After this upgradation, I think it will be able to deliver better services.
The rapidly spreading novel coronavirus has killed 25 people and sickened at least 830 people across China. The latest official statements are this morning, as millions in the country in 5 cities have been put under lockdown in an attempt to control the outbreak. As many as 24 deaths have been reported from the central Chinese province of Hubei. One has been reported from Hubei, a province bordering Beijing. As per reports, another 177 people elsewhere in the country are critical. A second case of the virus was confirmed in Japan today. The male patient 40 had been living in Wuhan, the epicenter of the outbreak, and had recently visited Tokyo, state media reported. The number of cases in Beijing, China's sprawling capital with more than 21 million, is now 26, with 4 more cases reported overnight. Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu said his government would give its best for the development of all sports in the state. The Chief Minister lauded the Kickboxing Association of Arunachal's KAA contribution in development of kickboxing in the state. He also praised the achievements of the players who brought laurels to the state in various national and international championships. The Chief Minister extended his best wishes to the players from Arunachal who will be participating in the WACO Indian Open International Kickboxing Tournament 2020, slated to be held in New Delhi from 9 to 13 February. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, 7-time champion Serena Williams suffered a dramatic exit from the Australian Open today, her earliest in 14 years, falling 6-4, 6-7, 7-5 to China's Wang Qing in a stunning third-round upset that tore the women's tournament open. Wang, who was thrashed 6-1, 6-0 by Williams in the US Open quarterfinals, severed sweet revenge on Road River Arena to end the Americans' bid for a record, equaling 24th Grand Slam title, sending shockwaves through Melbourne Park. A day before the Chinese New Year, 27-seed Wang wavered when serving for the match at 5-4 in the second set, but was magnificent under pressure in the decider. She broke Williams' formidable serve to seal the thriller on the third match point when the American dumped a backhand into the net. Let's now have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Kokomi says no to TC. Stats stand to Muiva. Over 600 rebels in Northeast surrender. BJP abusing constitutional provisions, says AICC. IED explosion rocks Imphal city. Child hurt. The People's Chronicle. I always follow constitution, law, says Shyam Kumar. Supreme Court verdict shameful for Congress party, says BJP spokesman. Supreme Court ruling a slap on BJP's face, says Ibobi. Teen girl hurt in IED blast. Kokomi team meet Muiva for peaceful coexistence, says Sunil Karam. Education to make one-job providers, says Chief Minister. Chief Minister holds meeting with Niti Aayog members. Imphal Free Press. Kokomi Muiva meet agrees on peaceful coexistence. Chief Minister seeks support from IT firms to realize government's policies. High Court directs state government to pay minimum rupees 18,689 per month to home guards. Will teach defected MLAs a lesson, says Ibobi. Imphal East to get Best Electoral Practices Award.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Minister Jayanti Kumar clarifies coronavirus not detected in Ukraine. Social Welfare Department celebrates National Girl Child Day. And consultative meeting on food processing cum techno exhibition held. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.